George Burnett, Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Let's get into the install on this 2021 Teryx 4-seater. Now, all the seats are going to basically install the same. They're all, kind of this bucket seat. Install is going to be the same on that. This one is Realtree Xtra with an Ebony Croc insert. Really nice combinations. We can talk later more about the fabrics. You might see that. Pockets on the front on this one is cool as well. But anyway, install tips on this video, so let's get into it. Let's walk you through the install on this Teryx. So this is the backrest. This is the face of it. This is the back right here. Let's open up the Velcro to get started. So we'll open up the Velcro like that. That's going to attach together underneath the seat there. Let's open up the side right here. This Velcro, that's going to make it a lot easier to install. So we open all this up. We're going to slip it over the top and pull it on down. This is Realtree Xtra braid pattern with the Ebony Croc. Okay, we'll slip this down over this side right here. Take this side right here and snug that down. It's going to fit there just like that, nice and snug. Okay, pull this side down here. Good position straight. Okay, got it on there. Need to shift it over a little bit more. Gonna check those out side to side. These bolsters are gonna fit really nicely around this. Look how this is built in multiple panels. Panel, to fit it really nice around this bolster. So we're gonna take and fit that down, snug it down tight. Okay. Now we're gonna take, and you can kind of reach up, smooth this face down right here, and then there's some Velcro on the back side. We'll kind of show you that from the back. So we're gonna take that, attach those, kind of get it to hold there. We'll tighten this up. So we kind of finish this out. We'll take and start to finish this side. And this side now attached together. Let's put that right there and start to attach that side. All right, just like that. Bring us around and line it all up. Seal the Velcro and finish it by smoothing this out, attaching the Velcro underneath there as well. Okay, so just kind of reset that Velcro a little bit more and tighten it up. Then you'll have the backrest finished out. Now let's do the bottoms. Okay, that was simple enough. That side, there's also a latch that moves the seat forward and back, and then there's a latch right here in the center. I'll show you that as I pull it up. So let me just show you. There's the latch there that's going to release this bottom. So there it is right there. That just releases it. Kind of unclips from the back side from these to the bottom and then just latches down. So just release that out. It's going to be a lot easier to do this install. So I'll set this here and set the cover upside down. Call this the seat cover bottom. Undo your Velcro. This one has a really great exclusive pocket, exclusive Covers Camo on this one. It's a MOLLE pocket. The Velcro's open and closed. Nice big open pocket in there. I mean, you can put flashlights, gloves, gear, keys, cell phones, all kinds of great gear that can go in there. I like to have a pocket knife that clips on the front side here. It's a great pocket. It's sewn on the front edge right there, different than the pistol pocket that's removable. So this one's got the MOLLE pocket. All right, so let's take this. We're going to stretch this over the front edge of the cover of the seat cover cushion bottom. Get it positioned, kind of pull it around the back side right like that. All right, get this around just like that. Okay, just kind of smooth things out as we go. We'll take this side, pull it around here. Okay, all right, there we go. Nice. Nice, things are looking good right there. All right, now we're going to take and this one has a seat heater that they've installed on here. That's why this electrical cord is here. I probably won't unplug that. Let's take this Velcro out right here. All right, so now let's just take this right here and show you that. I'm going to position this with that seat heater cord just like that so you can see things. There's the MOLLE pocket. Okay, now Velcro is going to come up here. We're going to tighten this just like that. Hook the loop. All right. Okay, all right, now do the other side. Pull this over here, position those equally. Check this on the back side back there. Okay. All right. Bring this one here. Bring the hook right here. I'm going to lay it down right there to hold it tight. Attach that right like that. There we go. Okay, those are looking great. And we'll take this right around here. Looks really good. Okay, that's all looking great. Now let's do... Okay, now we'll finish it up by taking this really draw rope right here. I like to throw a loop. Let me show you how I throw a loop on here. Loop right here. Throw it around a finger and bring it up here to give you a loop just like that. So that was done. Okay. Now we'll feed the other side right through it. This will just tighten. What we're doing here is just all the way around this side, around the bottom edge here. This is just going to snug it all together and kind of hold it tight right there. Okay. So let's go like that. If we need to shift that a little bit, we'll shift that over. Okay. Make sure that's tight all the way around there. So it just kind of draws that bottom all tight right there. Now I just like to do this. Let me just show you this little trick. Kind of just pinch this right there, and then throw right like that. There you go. You could do it again if you wanted to. One more time, just like that. Loops off. You could always trim this end, or you could just tuck this end up under, out of the way there. All right, perfect. Now this is a simple install. All right, hook those latches right back there. So these hooks right here, again, are going to go underneath this bar to the back side right there. Get that in position. Okay, and it's just going to latch down. Realtree Xtra. Okay. Tip for the back seat. Here we go. This is a seat bottom here in the back row, and there is a latch. You'll see right here. This is how you operate it right there. That's going to release this. This tucks these areas right here, these two plastic pieces here, going to tuck in and then release with a latch right there. That's going to make this a lot easier to install this seat cover bottom. Okay, so now another tip for you. The backrest, we've already installed the fronts. We're coming to the back seat right now. This will slip over just like the fronts, and underneath here some Velcro. You can do it two ways. Kind of a simple way is just the Velcro that's going to attach underneath here to each other, and you can get that in there adequately. Another tip though would be to take, and there's 4 bolts, and you need a little socket and extension, and you're going to take and release those 4 bolts here, the seat base, and lift the seat out, and then bolt it back in nice and tight. That's going to allow you to access the back of, look at these four bolts here that you're going to be able to take, and then you're going to lift this whole seat out, and that'll allow you to get probably a little bit tighter on that backrest and tighten that Velcro up that's underneath right here. Again, you can do it adequately without doing that, but I think that's a good tip for you to actually remove those 4 bolts, remove the seat, and then install it, put it back in. There's a couple tips for you on the Teryx 21. Okay, well, thanks for watching this install video. I think you probably are going to do just fine with this, and there's some tips for you. So thanks for watching it. We appreciate it. Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. And we do not only the side-by-slides like this 2021 Teryx, but the older Teryxes, the older Rangers, all the side-by-sides, and then trucks, Jeeps, and then your SUVs. So really, whatever you've got, then give us a call. If you don't know if we do it, give us a call. If you need more tips on your install, then give us a call. We're here to make it an awesome experience for you. We appreciate your business a lot. Thanks for watching the install video, and we look forward to hearing from you. George Burnett, Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. Thanks so much.